हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मैथ एकेडमी। आज मैं एक एनबीएजीएम कॉम्प्लेक्स एनालिसिस के एक इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ। एंड द क्वेश्चन इज लेट एफ बी ए फंक्शन दैट इज नोन टू बी एनालिटिक इन ए नेबरहुड ऑफ द ओरिजिन इन द complex plane. Further, it is known that for n belongs to natural number, where f of n at the point 0 is defined by this, and then find the radius of the largest circle with center at the origin, inside which the Taylor series of f defines an analytic function. So here it is, find radius of the largest circle means radius of the convergence. So if this is the complex plane, so this is origin, so find the radius of convergence with center at origins. So by the result, if f is analytic in z minus z0 less than r, then this implies f of z is equal to 0 to infinity an z minus z0 to the power n. This is Taylor series expansion on z minus z0 less than r. So here it is, center is origin, so here z naught is equal to 0. So here f of z is summations an z to the power n, where n is 0 to infinite. So here it is given that an, where an is f of n at the point z naught. So here z naught is 0, so f of n 0 by factorial n. So this is an, and we know the radius of convergence is 1 by r is equal to limit n tends to infinity an to the power 1 by n. So here an is means what, f to the power n at the point 0 by factorial n. So here f of n 0 is given in the question. So a of n is our what, a of n is n minus 1 factorial n plus 1 and n plus 1 by n plus 1 and into n minus 1. So by factorial n here, so n plus 1 into n plus 1 by n plus 1 n minus 1 by n. So n minus 1 factorial is cancelled. So this is our an. So 1 by r is limit n tends to infinity n plus 1 by n plus 1 n minus 1 by n whole by 1 to the power n. So limit n tends to infinity, so here n is means 1 plus 1 by n to the power, this 1 by n is here, so 1 by n, and if we this, so this is 1 plus 1 by n factorial to the power n plus 1 n minus 1 and here 1 by n, so by n. So this is the after calculations. So this result means limit of n tends to infinity 1 by n here to the power n, so here 1 by n square, since n and 1 n if we cancel, so this is 1 by n, and into 1 plus 1 by n, this is into n plus 1 n minus 1 by n square, because here we write an extra n. So and we know that by the results, so limit x tends to x0 an is to the power bn. So this result implies limit x tends to x0 an to the power limit x tends to x0 bn. So both limit is apply. So here we know that limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the power n is equal to e, and limit n tends to infinity 1 by n square is 0. So here this limit is e to the power limit n tends to infinity 1 by n square. Similarly this is e to the power limit n plus 1 n minus 1 by n square. So e to the power 0 into e to the power this limit is equal to 1. So e to the power 1. So this implies e. So 1 by r. So 1 by r is equal to e. So r is radius of convergence is what? 1 by e. So the answer is this 1 by e. Here it is, find the radius of largest circles, means here it is the radius of convergence. So this is radius, so this is 1 by e. So this is the answer, and thanks for watching, and please चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना and like